Hello you guys, welcome to my channel Urban Locs. It is your girl Kyra, and today I have a very special video for you all. This is going to be the battle of the Comb Coils versus the Two Strand Twist starter locks up to month 6. Okay, so I'm just going to be going through and showing you guys a bunch of pictures and videos with the two journeys side by side, so you can just see what's been going on so far. Right now I have the Two Strand Twist method, but my first set of locks I started with the Comb Coils. The only thing that I would like you guys to keep in mind is there were a lot of different factors when it came to these journeys. There's a lot of differences, so I will make a follow-up video. That way I can actually go into detail and tell you guys what was different between the two journeys before, you know, you use this and be like, okay, I see what's going on, so I'm going to start this way. So before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. It would be greatly appreciated. I love all of you guys so much. And let's go ahead, strap up them seatbelts, and let's get into this ride. Two Strand Twist on the left, Comb Coils on the right, okay? And boom, let's get into it.